Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your server profile within Discord. So currently I'm on my Discord. I want to go over here to user settings, and then I'm going to go down to profiles. So this is my user profile. I'm going to go over here to server profiles. You can choose a server. I want this to be in the Cool Kids Club server. I can change my nickname. So let's say I'm going to have my nickname be official mod. And then I can change my pronouns. We can have he, she, her within Discord. So I am going to save. Nope. But then other things that you can do, if you have Nitro, you can change your avatar. You can have server-specific photographs. You can also have banners, but that is going to be if you have Nitro. But I am going to click save. And there we go. We have changed our server profile for the Cool Kids Club server. But I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe.